Sweet and sour shrimp is one of my favorite recipes. To make this, take some defrosted shrimp and add some salt and pepper and add an egg white. Add some cornstarch to make a light batter. I like to use some sliced carrots, some sliced onions, pineapple, bell peppers, and a little broccoli. So just saute it till it's your desired tenderness. I steam the broccoli in the microwave for a couple minutes. To make the sauce, I'm using 2 tablespoons of duck sauce and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm frying my shrimp in a little bit of olive oil in this wok. The wok allows you to use a lot less oil, and I love this batter because it's a clean fry. It doesn't make your oil dirty. I'm frying my shrimp in 2 separate batches so there's enough room in the pan and the shrimp gets crispy. And I learned a new technique from Made with Lau, where you take your leftover batter and you fry it, and it makes these little crispy things that are so delicious. I put it on top of the meal at the end, you'll see, and it made a great addition to the dish. I like to put it all on a platter and then add the sweet and sour sauce at the end so that the shrimp remains crispy. I hope you love this recipe as much as we do, and special thanks to my niece Arabella for helping me with the editing. Thank you.